In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Spotify not playing music, step-by-step guide. If Spotify suddenly won't play songs, don't worry, we'll walk through a simple sequence on Android to clear out glitches, refresh the app, and make sure your settings aren't blocking playback. Follow along with your phone in hand. Start by opening your device settings. Swipe down from the top of your screen to open the quick panel, then tap the gear icon to enter settings. Once you're there, scroll until you see apps or app management. Different phones label this slightly differently, but it's the section that lists all your installed apps. Open the apps list and find Spotify. The fastest way is to tap the search icon at the top, type Spotify, and select it from the results. On the Spotify app info page, look for Storage. Inside Storage, tap Clear Cache. This removes temporary files that can cause stuttering or silence, and it won't delete your playlists or preferences. If Spotify still won't play after this, you can choose Clear Data as a deeper reset. Just note that this signs you out and removes downloaded songs, so you'll need to log in again and re-download your offline music afterward. Next, make sure you're running the latest version. Open the Google Play Store, search for Spotify, and if you see an update button, tap it. Updates often include bug fixes and streaming improvements that resolve playback problems. Now check Spotify's data settings. Open Spotify, tap your profile icon in the top corner, then go to Settings and Privacy and find Data Saving and Offline. Turn Data Saver off. Data Saver can restrict streaming quality and, on weaker connections, it may prevent songs from starting altogether. With it off, the app can stream normally over your current connection. Time to test playback. Pick any song and press play. Give it a few seconds to buffer and see if audio starts. If it works, you're good to go. If you're still stuck, try a few quick fixes. Restart your phone to clear background glitches. Check your internet connection by toggling Wi-Fi or mobile data or switching networks to rule out a bad signal. Make sure battery saver or battery optimization isn't limiting Spotify. When these are active, the system may pause or throttle the app in the background. And finally, log out of Spotify and log back in to refresh your session. Clearing the cache, updating the app, and adjusting these settings resolve most playback issues in just a few minutes. That's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Spotify tips and tutorials.